Hey, welcome back, guys. Welcome to my series. This is called Come Learn With Me. We look at articles that are of interest that people have liked and shared and that we put out there. And so we monitor that. This one's getting a lot of interest, let's say. So it's a fascinating story to me, and it's just ongoing here. Reddit users going after silver for biggest short squeeze in the world. Let's get our note taker going here. I think this one proves to be quite interesting. So a number of Reddit users on the popular Reddit WallStreetBets forum have said they are planning to launch a coordinated effort to target silver as their next short squeeze target. Get this Reddit user on WallStreetBets. Interesting. Post encouraged individuals to use the iShares Silver Trust, the largest silver exchange traded fund, and carry out what one user called the biggest short squeeze in the world. Silver bullion market is one of the most manipulated on earth. Any short squeeze in silver paper shorts would be epic, the user on Reddit's WallStreetBets wrote. We know billion banks are manipulating, I think it's supposed to be bullion banks, are manipulating gold and silver to cover real inflation. Both the industrial case and the monetary case, debt printing has never been more favorable for the #1 inflation hedge, silver. It came after purchases of hot stocks like GameStop, costs, and AMC were restricted by various platforms, sparking calls by members of Congress for investigation into whether there was collusion by hedge funds and platforms like Robinhood. Robinhood CEO Vlad Tenev described that assertion in media interviews this week as a conspiracy theory. Wow. Let's see, any points we want to highlight here. Let's keep going. Shares of video game retailer GameStop have soared 1,625% since the start of January. Driving the rally are individual investors who said they have been stuck at home for the last 10 months. Many have turned to online forums like WallStreetBets on Reddit and are buying the stock, some as a form of protest against hedge fund managers who wagered that it would fall. Okay. Driving investors have been stuck at home for 10 months. Hey, haven't we all? Many have turned to online forums like WallStreetBets on Reddit and are buying the stock, some as a form of protest against hedge fund managers who wagered that it would fall. One expert said those Reddit users will have a difficult time making an impact in the silver market. Is it true that the combined efforts of those on the Reddit forums can dramatically influence the price of individual stocks? But if you compare the size of the entire silver market to the market cap of individual companies that forums have recently targeted, we don't see this as having the potential to significantly move silver into a short squeeze scenario. John Feeney, Business Development Manager at Guardian Vaults, told Bloomberg News. Okay. Significantly. Yes. All right. This is the market's too big. Silver market cap is too large, and those on the forums typically want to see quick gains, so I wouldn't read into it too much, he said. But Peter Schiff, the CEO of Euro Pacific Capital, wrote that it appears the Reddit raiders have turned their attention to hashtag silver stocks, adding, they are getting smarter. Silver stocks are actually cheap and represent good investment value. The fact that some investors were foolish enough to short these stocks makes their trade even better. All right. Should probably say Peter Schiff, Euro Pacific Capital. Is that it? Wow, that's it. Okay. Well, there you have it, folks. That's an interesting one. Hey, we're going to have to watch this one and see. All right. Thanks for joining. Come learn with me and join us for some other articles. All the best.